I would like to introduce to you our special and surprise guest, the third placer during the Tawag ng Tanghalan sa It's Showtime, and the grand champion sa Tawag ng Tanghalan duets. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. J.M. De La Serna. Palakpakan naman po.
Mayong gabi! Hello po! Hello, ready? Alright, may gabi sa tanan.
Hindi ako nakikita na ang camera.
Nag-surprise yun siya ni Mayor, no? But I'm so happy po na nakabot. Big ka pag gabi una. O ganda, mag-enjoy mo? Mag-enjoy yung tako karong gabi una, no? Oo, kauban po na ako ang akong partner, si Miss Maria Magdaliano. Huwag katapos siya mga songs pasok na. So, matapos na niya ng mga songs para sa mga hey, DJ, please play this. Ito isa para song, sir.
Ngingiti-ngiti si Mali.
Dahil ang minus one. And the song is out of Wildflower para sa may gabi niya. She makes the hardest time you can imagine. When times are hard, when she knows. And when her youthful world each time I swim the shore, or when you're on peace, and the soul and if my chance that you learn, let me hold it for a time. And if allowed to take possession, I will take her to the garden in my mind. Madalas na talaga mga natin pala. Wala na pa rin makabantay ko. And when you walk into our eyes, she's back again. May you'll always freedom, her ways are never old, and the sorrow winds still glow. That only she can hear, so that she goes, and then I cry, for she's a lady. Dream, she's a child. flower. Ay, salamat. Na-surprise daw si ma'am. Salamat kayo. Thank you so much po for having us here. And with Maria Montelian. Isa na ba yung sunod natin? Oh, si Bukanta po isa ka song para sa yung okay lang ma'am. Yeah, si Mariel na po. Okay, so kaning song popularized by Mr. Larry Valenzuela. I guess, request niyo na song? Yes, pumunta ko sa ayun, di balik. Magpalayo na.
Privilege to take a seat since this is for you.
Personalize si ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, ayan, so sa lahat po natin mga bisita, you may be able to have a seat. Ayan, so once again, before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome everyone, most especially the special guests that we have here, to Ma'am Teen and to that team. Of course, thank you so much. Ayan, so JM, ito lang na. Nabalitaan ko, birthday mo daw.
Ay, hindi.
Actually, sige. So since it was been revealed, so once again, happy birthday. Actually, I'm not so sure, pero I think the person behind this surprise is your very beautiful and very loving mother and the family, of course. Ayan, together with ay, sino po ba? We've talked yesterday, with regards to this. And of course, kanina pa kami actually dito, JM. Oo, nagpakulot pa naman din ako. Wala na, straight na. Ayan, so I would like to ask you this question. A surprise at first?
Yes.
Or, do you have any, may mga doubts ka ba na baka para sa akin yung party na pupuntahan ko?
Hindi siya doubts, naglagot lang ko kay... yung mama ko kasi nainis ako, ayaw nagre-reply. Anong evento? Ganyan.
Actually, walang signal dito.
Hindi, kahit nung dati pa, hindi siya nagre-reply, hindi siya nagsasabi kung anong evento.
Hindi ka ba nagtaka na sinabay yung birthday celebration, yung mga melody sa celebration mo?
Hindi naman po kasi ano eh, matagal na din tong parang nakabook. So, parang in-expect ko na din na event talaga. So, Sa inyo naman, okay lang naman sa akin na walang celebration, basta may pera. May pera.
Okay, but you know what? We really are looking forward na happy ka that your friends, closest friends, family are here.
Paano kayo umabot dito? Gaso.
Actually, kanina, pagkata mo kay Ma'am Mary Day, akala ko, nagtaka ko na bakit mga puros na halos mga delaser na yung mga nandito.
Sinabi ko kasi mga delaser na. Pero ang weird lang kasi ba't red yung yung ilaw?
Actually, kung sa ilong ko po siya yan, bibuyog ito siya. Bibuyog ito siya. Kaya actually, we have different plans. Pero parang may mga bisita at may mga umuupo, kaya ganun ang style. Kasi sana naman na-appreciate mo yung effort namin lahat, di ba?
Thank you. Salamat po.
Okay, once again, a round of applause, please, for
Delaser nga family. Salamat po sa kagad ko. Thank you.
Okay. So nothing to worry, JM. Alam naman namin na nabitin ka sa pangalawang kanta ko. Mahayaan ka namin mamaya. No? We will give you the enough time para makapag-prepare or makapagbigay pa ng maraming kanta. Well, anyways, we have here our First Lady and of course our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Chris Cabumon. Nandito sila. Together with the Mayor Official.
Mayor, salamat kayo, ma'am. Sorry kayo.
Okay. So, let us proceed with our program. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will formally start our program. And I am requesting everybody to please stand. And I am requesting everybody to please stand for our opening prayer.